Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with the speaker, which is really hard to say no to it, especially because of its price point, which is very aggressive. We are talking at the moment of the recording roughly 18 euros, $20 more or less, and for the quality and the sound quality that it has, just awesome. And once again, for someone that is on the market for such a speaker, it's really hard to say no to this. Now, in terms of build quality, it has this 360 mesh, which will push the sounds all over, which is great if we are on a group and just place it somewhere and everyone will have more or less the same level of sound, which is one of the advantages of this format right over here. In terms of the quality itself, it's more rubberized materials that we find over here besides the mesh, so really comfortable, and it feels like we can drop it. I can even throw it, although not to anyone who is distracted, but just to say that looks really nice and feels really nice. On the bottom we will see right over here three stands or three small salient feet that will allow the sound that comes from the subwoofer, which this kind of subwoofer is really nice. It gives a punch to the sound, which is awesome. In terms of connection, we will find right over here on this waterproof door a USB Type-C, a 3.5mm jack, and a micro SD card slot. And then on the top, really simple, we will have a power button, minus, plus, and play and pause. And the play and pause has some features, one of which is voice assistant. We can try it out, just need to press it for roughly 5 seconds or so, and I can just leave it. Hey, how's the weather today?
It's currently cloudy and 23 degrees in Partial. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 23 degrees to 19 tonight. So
back to airplane mode. Just to say that I usually don't use this feature because I just see how's the weather, but somehow it's really easy to explain on a video such as this during a question like that. So besides all that, it has the voice assistant function, which we can use Google Assistant or Siri or whatever we use. Now, besides the 360 sounds that we have right over here, which is a really nice feature, it's not the first time that we see on a speaker from Tronsmart, but it has 15 watts, so it's not that powerful, but it's not that weak. It's a really nice speaker to take to a group. I would say that it's too much for an office like mine if I put it on maximum, but if I go outside and if I'm on a large group, noisy group, then probably it's suitable. And it has TWS, so if you find that one is not enough, you can connect another one to it. They will pair, and after pairing, which is a technology that we have seen here in the past, when they pair, we have two devices pushing sound from two different locations and giving that extra punch connected to one single device, which is just awesome. Battery wise, we are talking about 24 hours, although on my tests I'm not really sure if it reaches the 24 hours, but I'm also a bit more demanding because I'm pressing and testing and doing this and whatnot. So I believe that if we leave it just playing music, we will be able to get the 24 hours of playtime out of it. But if we are doing what I do on my test, which is trying this and trying that, and then it will deplete a little bit faster. But I would be completely comfortable taking this for a full day anywhere without having any issues at all, because it will be able to play through the whole day. So guys, final message is that it's really hard, as I said in the beginning. If you are looking for a device that it's great in terms of build quality, it has a really nice sound with all the features that we have seen right over here, it's hard to find something on this price range, which 18 euros, $20, it's really aggressive. And I see my local market right over here, we have a lot of devices similar to this one. Some of them are more expensive and with lower quality in terms of sounds and lower quality in terms of build quality overall. So once again, it's really hard because Tronsmart is doing a great job in terms of build quality, sound quality, and the price is being a bit aggressive. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.